In this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to install Callcabinet's call control program into your MS Teams client, which will allow you to then record and manage your MS Teams recordings. In order to install Callcabinet's call control program, you need to open Microsoft Teams client. So open up your client, and inside its menu panel, go down to the icon that is called Apps. Once there, click on that icon and then go to the search bar. Inside the search bar, type in Callcabinet. The result of your search will appear on the right hand side, and go to the Callcabinet call recording and go and press the Add button to add this application to your Teams application. You will notice that once you do this, Callcabinet's icon will appear in the menu panel of your MS Teams client, and by pressing on this particular icon, you will be taken to Callcabinet's call recording screen. Now that you successfully installed Callcabinet's call control program into your MS Teams client, you are now ready to manage your recordings. The next how-to video to view is how to use Callcabinet's call control program.